Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Socially Awkward Soul, where we discuss books that inspire change, growth and self-discovery. Today we are exploring a powerful book with big lessons, Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. This book explores why the people of Okinawa, Japan live longer, happier and more purposeful lives, and how we can apply their secrets to our own. So let's dive in. The authors travel to Okinawa, a place in Japan that has the highest life expectancy. Here, it's normal to meet people who are over 100 years old and not just alive but thriving. So what's their secret? It's not a fancy diet or gym. It's simplicity and connection. Let's explore 10 habits people in Okinawa live by. Eat light, follow Hara Hachibu. It's a Japanese concept that means eat until you are 80% full. It's a traditional practice associated with mindful eating, portion control and longevity. People in Okinawa avoid overeating and focus on fresh, plant-based food. This helps digestion, prevent illness and contributes to their long lives. When we get delicious food, we have a habit of eating 120%. And overeating has a way of wearing down our bodies because more food means longer digestive process, and a worn down body shortens life instead of extending it. Stay active, don't retire. In Okinawa, people don't really retire. They keep doing what they love, whether it's farming, cooking or teaching, even into their 90s. You don't need a gym membership to live long, just keep your body moving. Walk, stretch, garden, clean or dance. The secret is natural movement throughout the day, not just 1 hour workout. Reduce stress, the silent killer of longevity. Chronic stress is one of the biggest threats to a long and healthy life. It weakens the immune system, speeds up aging, affects the heart and damages mental well-being. Whenever Okinawans face problems, they don't panic. They pause and ask, what's the worst that can happen? This simple question reduces anxiety and puts things in perspective. Instead of overthinking or fearing the unknown, they calmly deal with challenges, knowing that most problems are not life-ending but life-shaping. Take it slow. Slow living is equated to a better quality of life. The people in the world's longest living communities embrace slowness. They walk slowly, speak gently, and live intentionally. In slowness, there is presence, and in presence, there is peace. Stay connected, build your moe. A moe is a small group of friends who support each other emotionally and even financially throughout life. Close relationships with people contribute to a sense of purpose and well-being, which can impact an individual's overall health and longevity. In a world where loneliness is rising, having strong community bonds is medicine for the soul. Don't wait for the perfect time to reconnect. Call someone you have been thinking about, even if it's been months or years. Most strong bonds are just one honest conversation away. Flow in what you do. One of the most powerful concepts in Ikigai is the idea of flow, that magical state where you are so immersed in an activity you lose track of time. You are not thinking about the past or worrying about the future. You are just working, fully engaged and present. The Japanese believe that more often you enter this state, the closer you get to calmness and peace. Reconnect with nature. One of the secrets to the longevity and happiness of Okinawans is that they spend time outdoors, gardening, walking by the sea, or just breathing fresh air. In the fast-paced, screen-filled modern world, we often forget that we are not separate from nature, we are part of it. Nature grounds us. Just spending even 15 minutes a day in nature can reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, improve focus and sleep, and can boost creativity and inner peace. Be grateful every day. Gratitude is a daily habit in Okinawa. They don't wait for big achievements or special occasions. Instead, they pause to appreciate the small, simple joys of life. Good food, a cup of warm tea, a sunny morning, and a visit from a friend. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, we train our brain to feel safe, abundant, and at peace. Live in the moment. Often we live either in the past, filled with regrets, or in the future, filled with worries. But the secret to peace lies in being fully present right here, right now. The people of Okinawa practice a way of life where every small moment is meaningful. and every task, no matter how ordinary, is done with attention and intention. Start your day with purpose. People in Okinawa have a quiet morning routine. They wake up early, greet the sun, tend to their garden, do morning exercise like radio taiso, and simply sit in silence. This slow and mindful start is not laziness, it's alignment. It allows them to connect with themselves, their surroundings, and their purpose before the world demands their attention. Mornings set the tone for the day. Even one mindful habit can turn chaos into calm. These 10 simple habits from Ikigai are not just about living long, they are about living well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Socially Awkward Soul for more book summaries. See you in the next one.